Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here. What I have is a Hunter Sea Air in the Verde gris finish with an aftermarket tip light. I was a little, it's much to my chagrin, because I really like the Hunter switch cap. So I was hoping this would have the Verde gris Hunter switch cap, but I picked it up secondhand, so I really can't complain. Light works. I installed two those skinny little candelabra bulbs, and the might take a couple of tries for the pull chain because it's routed through there in a really asinine fashion. It comes out and then it wraps around and comes tucked under here, so it's not a straight pull by any means. So it might take a little effort. So we'll give it a try. Let's it starts on fast. Yeah, and it moves real. It's a very high velocity thing. It's for for outdoors primarily. Porches and verandas and gazebos and whatnot. Yeah, very, very powerful. Medium. Even at medium, it's moving a ton of air. And low. Spin down. I want to take this time to thank you folks for checking out my YouTube page called The Fan Cave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. If you guys could do me a favor and click like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube page, I greatly appreciate it. Stay tuned for more fan videos. I have quite a few more I still need to test, so there should be more coming up momentarily. And like most of my fans, this one is for sale or trade. I'm interested in Dayton Lasco's, Blender fans, New Tone Veranda Deluxes, 3-blade Crompton Greaves Encons. So if, the high breeze. And any really cool, unusual industrials would be nice. Gold lines, of course. 4-blade New Tone Pro lines. If you could You know, open to all offers. You know, even if there's cash on one end or the other, as well as a trade. That's I'm willing to entertain all offers. So, as you can tell, this has the fake the fake wood blades. It's plastic. It's excuse me. The plastic blades designed for outdoor applications. Much like the Emersons of the early late 70s and early 80s. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and good night and good luck.